Welcome to another Fallout hosting tutorial. In this tutorial, we will go over how to mount an ISO and do a install over KVM. Let's get our KVM launched. In our KVM console, you'll notice several icons. You want to click the diskette icon. And navigate to Connect ISO. Now this will bring up a menu in which you can search what ISO you want. You can do anything like Ubuntu, or you could do anything like CentOS. The choice is up to you on which operating system you want to install on your server. Just remember that the bigger the ISO, the longer it will take for it to install over a KVM. Once you found your ISO, click Open. Restart your server with Ctrl-Alt-Delete or any other means. Hit OK. And when the machine restarts, you will need to press a key at the BIOS. You will need to press F11 if it's Supermicro or F9 if it's HP. Navigate to Pepper C Virtual Disk. That is the ISO you mounted. Enter and your ISO should load. That's all. Thanks for watching.